In the world of business, data is king. Picture this: a myriad of data silos, countless sources from various applications, and the challenge of technology that employees face daily. It sounds daunting, doesn't it? The struggle of repetitive tasks, the lack of technical skills, the difficulty in building the right reports. These are all too familiar problems, but imagine a solution, a way to streamline, to simplify. Data analytics is that solution. It's the key to unlocking the potential of your data, transforming it into meaningful insights. We gather the data, build the data model, create the reports, and bring clarity to the chaos. And it doesn't stop there. With these insights in hand, teams can collaborate more effectively. Decision-making becomes a breeze, guided by clear and easy-to-understand information. Remember, in the world of data, knowledge is power. And with the right tools, that power is within your reach. Embrace the possibilities of data analytics. It's time to transform your business one data point at a time. The future is data-driven. Make sure you're not left behind.